welcome to the LocalWell YouTube channel. Today, we will learn how to change the rack or location of any product in the LocalWell app. Let's begin. First, open the LocalWell desktop app. To change a product's location, you need to go to the stock section. In the stock section, select the product and then change its location here. Search it. After searching the product, you will see a settings option on the right-hand side. So if you press F4, the settings section will open and see here you have been given the option of location in the second row. So for example, the Dolo 650 mg was earlier in rack number 20 in your shop. But now you have shifted it to rack number 4, so you can update it here. To update the location, press F2 and then apply. Your Dolo 650 mg product's location will be updated. How can you check it? Simply go back to settings by pressing F4. Now, the location displayed will be rack number 4. So, you can easily update or change any product location in the LocalWell app. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and leave your feedback in the comments section. If you need help with LocalWell, you can WhatsApp us at the number displayed on your screen. Thank you.